Good morning and welcome to another Disneyland Paris vlog. So today we're being joined by friends and just gonna pop back to yesterday when they arrived.
Here they are.
And here they are in, I was gonna say in real life, but that was real life too. But here they are in person today, yay! Here's Vicky.
Hi.
And Ashley.
Hey.
So we're literally on our favourite road and we're just showing Vicky and Ashley now that you can see the Disneyland Hotel in the background and the castle. Good morning, Lloyd.
Morning.
How are you doing this morning?
Tired.
Tired.
I'm really tired. We got up really early to try and make it in for the extra magic time. We might be a little bit late for that, but we are going to get there at 8:30. And then we have to queue for the privilege tickets, get these guys in for cheaper, which is great with our annual pass. We may get there might have an extra half an hour, maybe. Depends how big the queue is for the privilege tickets. I don't know if I'm crazy, but I'm the only one wearing a t-shirt. Everyone else is in like jumpers and coats. But yeah, spot the Brit. We picked up our tickets for our friends, so it's all good. I think we go down this way. Yeah, that's the way. Nothing better than the Disney castle in the sunshine, is there?
So
There's no better sight.
get ready. This is Vicky and Ashley's first time ever in a Disney park.
Ever.
And the first time, obviously, seeing the castle. And it's sunny, which is perfect.
Absolutely popping in the sunlight.
The best way to see it.
Yeah.
Star Command picked a fine time to send the new recruits. All right, you junior space rangers, listen up.
He's in the win, Lloyd.
Well, glasses are on, so battle's on.
We've also got other competition, remember?
That's true.
Please face forward and sit back in your seat.
Whoa! You ready?
Mission accomplished.
So, Becky,
It's been an honor serving with you.
you beat me. So Becky got 126 200. I got 118 200.
It's been an honor serving with you. Check the status.
Hey!
My leg is squished.
We didn't get into this very well.
I've got big legs. There's workers up on Space Mountain. I really hope they get that fixed. It's meant to reopen on Friday, which is in a couple of days. We hope, anyway. Doing something to the cannon.
Off we go. So Vicky and Ashley are over there because Lloyd didn't say 4. He only said 2, so we're not behind each other.
But we're going to be, they're just there. We're going to be next to them the whole way.
Just going for a little drive.
Yeah. Lovely. Going to be right at the front. Big glasses on then. See me. Hook and Smee coming this way.
There he is, Pinocchio himself. So we've come into Au Chalet de Marionnette.
Something like that.
And Lloyd has got the pretzel sandwich.
I'd like to see it. Let's open it
Porky
up.
pretzel sandwich and fries. While he's doing that, I got the bratwurst and fries. And Vicky got some fries. And Ashley got some chicken fries. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it?
Lovely.
Taste it. It's a good bit of pork. It's not pulled pork, it's full on
No,
pork.
it's a proper loin of pork.
Loiny pork.
We're in the cage. We're locked away. The
With
menagerie.
the menagerie.
Menagerie. Oi, off we go.
Choo choo. Off we go. We may get lost. This way. Lloyd's leading the way.
Leading the way, where the...
He's gone. And we've reached the top. Beautiful view. How did you find the wonderful maze, Lloyd?
Maze. It's alright. It's a nice walk around, if nothing else.
And you get such good views from the top of the...
That's true.
What is that, castle?
That was nice. Yeah. Queen of Hearts
Queen of
Castle.
Hearts Castle.
Yeah.
So we're all in the same teacup.
A little bit of a squidge.
Just a little bit, isn't it? It's not the most thrilling ride.
It doesn't spin as fast, this one.
No. Here we go.
Whoa.
Yeah, I think the cups in Alton Towers is a bit faster.
Yeah, I think so.
Vicky and Ashley are just behind us.
This horse is very uncomfortable.
Is it hard to kneel bum cheeks?
And we can dream a little bit right now. If we open up our eyes, I'm ready for the and I know it's been on your mind. I'm ready to get it out. We dream
we're going on the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse. It's the first time we've done this here. It was closed, I think, the first 2 times we've been here under refurbishment, but yeah, we thought we'd do it today.
quinoa salad. Ashley and I are having the menu. Ashley's got the fish soup, and then Becky and Lloyd are going to share some cod fritters, and Lloyd might have some nice salad. We've got beers, 1664, the favourite, Planter's Punch, and the celebration cocktail. Cheers, Vicky. We also got some bread.
Our food has come, our mains. This is the tender beef, and what did it come with? There was some sweet potato mash, yeah. And there's Becky's chicken and prawns. Vicky's got the same as I. That's me, rather, same as I. We've got the same as I, me. And Ashley's got the lentil and plantain curry. All looks very, very nice.
Lastly, the puddings have arrived. Here's my rice pudding with mango, and Ashley has got the fruit soup.
Fruit soup?
It's like a trifle.
Layered fruits.
Candlelights flicker, the air is deathly still. C'est que le fantôme des lieux se manifeste. You may not believe it, but beauty once lived in this house.
Join now the spirits in nuptial doom. A ravishing bride, a vanishing gloom.
Wow, that's right in the middle of the maze. Very dark. So we had our dinner. Oh, so bright, it's blurring it out. Okay. All the way by that flag there. That's where we were. attraction stuff. There's Mickey and Minnie just there. They're really
That's
cool.
really cool.
But what's really cool is these ears that we've just found. I'm gonna try them on and see.
Oh, they are nice, aren't they? What do you think?
I like them. I really like them. Becky bought a new dress that would go perfectly with these. We're camping out with our spot for the show.
It's exciting, isn't it? Never done this before.
Yeah.
I've got a pink marshmallow stick. We've all got one. Luke's got a cookie. Your favourite.
It's not going to focus.
It's the pink cookie.
I have the pink cookie, which is a dream. Yeah.
There he is.
Look to the sky, hope is all around. A little higher, sing a little louder now. Tinkerbell! Come on, Tink!
So we're hot-footing it down to crushes, I think, with the rest of the park, everybody else.